Clay Patton here with a check of your closing commodity markets on the Rural Radio Network. As we saw for the commodity side of the trade, it was mostly lower for grains, higher for cattle, and lower for hogs. Quick check to the outside equities will show them trading on both sides of unchanged today, but mostly lower as we continue to get out poor economic data, including the latest jobs report, which showed that them at 5.25 more unemployment applications going through the system. Over the energies, though, they traded lower most of the day. There is rumor the Trump administration may try to incentivize crude oil producers of cutting back production to try and limit the amount of buildup we have happening in the U.S. Over in the grains, though, it was all about the weather as we continue to see wet conditions across much of the Corn Belt. That could start to delay planting. So all eyes are going to be on next Monday's crop progress report and where corn planting stands. For the wheat side of the trade, though, we saw Egypt tender another one, but unfortunately it left out U.S. wheat, even though U.S. wheat was priced very well in the competition. They went ahead with a light Russian load as well as rounding out their tender with French wheat. We saw the July Chicago wheat futures close 530.5. July Kansas City wheat futures close 476 3/4. Circle back around to corn real quick. December corn futures settled at 341 even. Or on the soybean side, got out the latest USDA export numbers, and soybeans hit a marketing near low. That definitely put some more pressure on them. Meal tried to make a late afternoon rally, but was unable to do so. We see the November new crop soybean settle at 854.5. Over in the livestock trade, it was higher with limited cash trade for the cattle, so all eyes are on the Fed Cattle Exchange tomorrow to see what's going to happen there. Out in the country, there was some $1.55 bids in midday in Nebraska. The rest of the show list, though, asking $1.08 live to $1.68 on the rail. We see June live cattle close 86.47, August feeder cattle close $28.62, and June lean hogs close 37.32. That's a check of your closing commodity markets on Thursday.